giving me this opportunity. I am Shatabdi. I'm talking to you from West Bengal. I'm talking about my academic credentials. I have done my graduation and post graduation in English literature, and I have also completed B.Ed. I teach online as well as offline. And talking about my hobbies, I like singing, dancing, and reading books. That's all about me.
Okay.
I know something
Okay.
about you.
Eh, okay. Firstly, good morning, and I am Sahil, and I am from West Champaran, Bihar, and currently live in Lucknow for my career. And currently, I am pursuing BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration from ISM Lucknow. My hobby is traveling, cooking, and photography. That's it. Thank you. I
Okay, that's great. Good to know.
Do you know hotel management?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I know. Yes, I know. So you said that you like traveling. So how many places you have traveled so far?
Yeah, like I'm travel Jaipur, Agra, and Ayodhya, Nepal. Nepal like Bharatpur and Hathauda. Like
So many places you have explored. So
like not
that's great.
right
That's
now
a great thing.
it's not possible to travel lots of places because I love traveling, but some financial conditions are not good. The decision to save some money and then I start uh, traveling.
Absolutely. Because when you want to travel, then that time it's really necessary. Money matters a lot that time. Everybody likes
Yes.
traveling just because of financial hardships. Sometimes
Yes.
some people can't afford. So that is a
Yeah.
big hard.
Money, yeah,
Otherwise,
money is
every
big issue because any people are interested for traveling. That time he face
Mhm.
a money problem. So that time he not to travel any places. Like
Right.
same with me. Like I'm a travel like lots of places, but I will try to travel more than places like Nepal. Like I want to travel Nepal, Himalaya, Mountain Everest, like Himalaya. So this is my
Okay.
dream place.
Oh, so you like hilly areas, mountains, hills, you
Yes,
like.
I like hilly area. Like a solo traveling. I like
Solo traveling, you like solo. Okay.
it.
Why it is so? Why do you like to travel alone? Why don't you like to travel with family or friends?
No, no, like solo traveling, like it give knowledge, like a different like a places. Like you know, in solo traveling is a part of like alone traveling, not like a travel. You have travel like with your friends, with your family. Like any people are interested for traveling for you their parents that time you decide to travel any places, but I like alone because I learned like lots of knowledge like related to solo traveling. And one benefit like you are like a prepare food like a very minimum cost. And like yeah I like like any people to say arrange food like not like a you are eat like a high class food like in compared to city and home. Like some people are like
Okay.
yeah, some people are I some people are like arrange food and uh, find like a and like a find in the forest area food like some like a plant tree like mango, yeah, anything, apple like available in like a mountain area some. So
Okay. Okay.
I have interest.
Okay, that's great. When you go to the hilly areas, what
Yeah.
did you learn from those places? Do you feel
like
that living in those areas is
like
easy?
Yeah, hilly area is not living easy because I see in Nepal, I see lots of people are very hardworking. Like not a very woman. Woman is also very hardworking compared to man. In our side, man is very hardworking. Woman is not hardworking. But in hilly area, woman is very hardworking. Everything work is doing by my your and that's and this help like not like a with uh, support any one person. To that time I see and compared to like hill area, like any people, any woman, yeah, man are like cultivate like some small plants like vegetables, anything with or with organic. It's a very benefit for anyone. Like, and in I see I'm lots of, yeah, eat Nepali food, and that time I'm see like a not a, like a lots of spices are used in their cooking in Nepal.
Yes, when you visit a lot of places, you also come to know about their cultures, their cuisines, and people about that place, particular place, and their languages. So many things you come to explore. So traveling always gives us an opportunity to explore cultures and traditions. It always helps us. Yes.
Yes, no,
So
like
how?
I yeah, I speak
Mhm, yeah.
Nepali and my mother is Nepali, and this reason too I'm a nearby Nepal border. That time I'm a in any field I'm a boring. That time I'm travel in Nepal and meet my maternal uncle like my
Oh, okay, that means your maternal uncle or they live there in Nepal,
yes, yes, yes,
and you with your parents live in India.
yes,
Okay, okay. Do you have your grandparents?
yes. I have grandparents like my grandpa and my grandma.
Okay, your father's mother and father live in India, and your
Yes,
mother's father and mother live in Nepal.
no, no, no. My mother is belong to Nepal, but like he's married in Indian person. Like in my side, like it's a common long. It's common. Like do you know in right now like any people are like compared to like Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh border to anyone like married in one people are married in Rajasthan. Rajasthan woman is married in Indian Uttar Pradesh boy. So it's a easy like in my side and same with me. I spend like lots of time with Nepal. Like I'm working purpose and I'm traveling purpose. So I learn Nepali. Like I speak Nepali, but right now I am not comfortable to speak because I have not any practice.
Okay, so how many languages you know to speak? How many languages apart from English,
I
Nepali, and what's your mother tongue?
yeah, I learned some Chinese, like some Chinese to daily talking.
Okay, okay. So do you use any other application to interact with other people?
No, no, I don't know, but I also use Hello Talk and connected with only my join meeting, like when people are hosting at that time I'm listening for that English with foreigner people. Like I learn like a foreigner language, like a foreigner advanced level English. This reason.
Okay, so how many calls every day do you take? Over audio, you talk about audio calls as well?
Yeah, I am comfortable to both. Like not a call. Like I'm connected with like a one Chinese friend. Like he's from China, but sorry, she is doing right now work. Like she is busy nowadays, and so I'm asking and and now what are you doing like nowadays? So that time she Sahil, I'm very busy nowadays because I'm working 10 hours. Like compared to
Okay, okay.
India and yeah, yeah,
If
India and foreigner
that's why.
people to like a very many differences.
Yes, yes, that's true. That's true. So do you have any question for me? You can ask me.
Yeah, like you are like a English literature. Tell me, give a feedback our my English because do you have any problem for understanding my English? Yeah, how's your English? My in my
Okay, so
side.
you can also
In,
work. Yeah, you can work on your grammar a little bit and speak
yes,
slowly and avoid filler words like this kind of filler words we all use. Do not worry about that. Gradually, it will decrease. How many months it has been you are speaking on a regular basis? How long
like
have you been speaking?
I'm continuously I'm I start my English journey like on 20 January 2024. It's almost 10 months complete, but sometime I'm not practice with anyone because I was firstly connected Jostock on Jostock, and that time people are not communicate with with good behavior. To this reason, to quit that app
Okay,
and
okay.
I
So
start.
it can work on grammar. You can
Yes,
work on your grammar. Every day, take one tense. There are 12 tenses: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. This is how we have 12 tenses. So if you are taking one tense, if you are taking simple present tense, then make 100 sentences in simple present tense. Take different pronoun in subject place and take different verbs in verb place and object. English always follows SVO pattern. That means you have to put first of all subject and then verb and then object. SVO pattern you need to follow. So make 100 sentences in simple present tense only. Make affirmative sentences, negative interrogative. This is how interrogative make sentences, many sentences, because knowing the rules are not enough. You have to work on those rules. Then only it's
yes.
possible to get clarity.
Yes, like I know all tenses because I'm facing like a sentence framing on tenses because I know you know like my example of like मैं खाता हूँ तो I don't know कि which tense I am speak to which tense I'm use in my English. So this reason to you are like a same like a give advice to make up sentence at 100 tenses frame in English. That is it's a good idea and I want to follow, but nowadays my examination is going on to decision. I'm not
Okay.
frames and tenses.
I know everybody has a lot of work to do apart from enhancing speaking skills. We have a lot of things to do. So whenever you are getting time, just try to do this thing and talk with
Yeah,
other co-learners. So if you are getting time to talk with other YouTubers, connect with them and talk with them. That can also boost your confidence. It can also enhance your speaking skills. And listen to others how they are speaking, what tenses they are using, what how they are structuring sentences, how they're forming sentences. Pay close attention all those and listen to them carefully and try to pick up all those sentences too. Because are their eyes to do. And whenever you are watching anything, just try to repeat after them. That can also help you to enhance your English
yes,
speaking skills. And the more you speak, the better
yeah,
it becomes. So you have to speak more and more. It's also
yes,
necessary.
yes. I want to speak more and more. Like nowadays, I'm spend like 2 hours, 3 hours in these apps and on my personal meeting apps. So I spend lots of time, and I'll try to enhance immediately my English because
Yeah.
next year my parliament is started. So this isn't I learn more English.
Yeah, you can also work on your voice modulation, your intonation, how you are, like when you are showing your excitement, that time you have to raise your voice, and you have to speak slow when you are low when you are showing your sharpness. So you have to follow all this intonation, voice modulation, and pronunciation. It also matters a lot because when you speak with proper pronunciation, that time it sounds more it sounds impressive to others, so people will love to listen to you. So all these things you need to keep in your mind. We all have to. I'm also working on that, and whatever I have experienced, I have been telling you that.
Yeah, no problem. I like you are like literature. So this reason why I'm asking you this question because it's good for me. And you are give any advice for my English. To, I'm definitely I want to correct my sentences. I want to more than spend with time with English. So this reason. To thank you for
Yes. We
giving
all,
my advice.
yeah, yes, it's my pleasure. And we also use filler words in our conversation. I also use sometimes. So we also need to work on those. We also have to avoid
What is filler
using
word?
a
I
lot of
don't understand. Like, filler word I don't know. Like give me a
filler words. Yes. So filler words means we sometimes we should, a lot of if you are using that phrase repeatedly, that means it is going to be filler words. And so these are filler words. Using a sentence, using a phrase, or using a few words repeatedly, that can we feel that you are using filler words. So this kind of words you need to avoid. So it
Okay,
will
okay.
come gradually. It's a lifelong process. I would so it is not going to come overnight or in a year, in 2 years. It will take effort and persistence. So perseverance is something which is truly required.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your
Okay,
advice, and I'll
it's
follow.
fine.
I'll try to follow. Bec- Because nowadays, I want to focus more on my English, because compared to like 1 month before, maybe 2 month ago, my English is like a many increases. And like in these apps I don't know to how to use these apps like before 1 month. I don't know what is the Skype application. Like, and one friend is give advice to Sahil join in a Skype application and send us some message like anyone free right now. So that and conversation with one by one. So that's a good opportunity for me, and I'm daily join this application.
Yes, yes. And yeah, interacting with others can help you to enhance your English speaking skills. So interact with other co-learners. It will help you definitely. So
Yes, I
actually,
connect.
time is not allowing me. I have to go because I have to teach. I teach online in the afternoon, so I have to go down. So we can talk later.
Okay, okay, okay. No
Okay.
problem.
Thank you. It was really
Thank you
nice
for
talking to you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
thank